Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to use Airdrop but your iPhone keeps saying no people found, don't worry, this is a common issue. In this video, I'll walk you through all the possible solutions. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn on Airdrop the right way. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Press and hold the Wi-Fi tile. Tap on Airdrop. Choose everyone for 10 minutes. This makes your iPhone discoverable to other nearby. Solution 2. Check Airdrop in screen time settings. Sometimes Airdrop is blocked under screen time restrictions. Here's how to fix it. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on the toggle if it's off. Tap on Allow Apps and Features. Make sure the Airdrop toggle is turned on. This allows Airdrop to work even the restrictions are enabled. Solution 3. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Airdrop needs both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to work properly. Open the Settings app. Tap on Wi-Fi and make sure it's on. Now go back and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is also turned on. Airdrop uses Bluetooth to find nearby devices and Wi-Fi to send the files. Solution 4. Turn off Personal Hotspot. Airdrop wouldn't work if Personal Hotspot is turned on. Open the Settings app. Tap on Personal Hotspot. Make sure it's turned off. Hotspot uses Wi-Fi, which Airdrop needs. Solution 5. Reset network settings. If Airdrop is still not working, try restarting your network settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi password and Bluetooth connections. Here's how. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Then tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. Your phone will restart and network settings will restore to default. After doing this, now go back and check that your problem is resolved or not. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.